like cherries. This one. I'm gonna watch and eat and play. I don't know, but it's okay, I guess. Oh. Because I'm gonna skate and this is hard to skate. So I'm gonna do maybe this. Next time I'll choose this one because this one is left out. So let's go. Let's go get it. I gotta play so hard. Okay, I'm gonna play like this and do. One done. Oh my god. I didn't skate in 2 years, so I think I'm gonna fall. Oh, I got this. It's good. I'm scared I'm gonna fall. Yeah, 2 years I just get. I'm good. Maybe I'm gonna change this one. So, go with the color. I regret saying that, but let's go with it. Okay. That's much better in the color. Okay. I'm gonna skate all day. My legs tired because this is only one like that, not like two. I'm gonna use this one's easier. Now, okay, now to get off. Oh my god. I feel short. No. Almost got on my shirt. I'm gonna color. Go out the lines and be focused. No. Okay, just a little bit. this one's the easiest one because you can carry it every time. So yellow. This one. No. Not this one. It's not showing up that much, but it's okay. It's like green. Why? I don't know. Okay. Okay. So I did one because I can't do the others. Isn't it beautiful? So, you know, Ron's made ice cream with the kite, like floating around. I can't do the other ones because I'm one hand playing, one hand coloring, and another hand drinking. How? I don't know. But it's so cute. Surprise for you guys. So I'm going to play this one. I'm going to change it. But the surprise is Legos. I'm going to play some Legos and try to make it. So yeah. How am I going to open it with this? I forgot how to open it. Wait. Oh, wait. I'm gonna open it. Oh, look. A girl. But she lost her hand, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, another girl, but it's not the same girl. And it's almost broken, but I'm gonna try to make her. Okay, so I did this one before. I can't do it because there's some pieces that are not coming with this. So I can't do the truck. Look, it's so cute. Right there, truck. And it's so cute, and it has some drinks. Look, some of that. But there's some good news. I'm gonna do the girls. The girls is the easiest. They have a skateboard. So I'm gonna do the skateboard as well. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go with the girls to make their body. There's the one hand. And we need some more. Okay. Okay, this girl has this shirt and this skirt. And I have the skirt, but I don't have this shirt. And what is this? I do like this. So everyone is there, comes out to here, so I can look for it. Oh, there's some stickers, but I'm not gonna do it now. Where is it? Oh, there's a body right there. It's for this girl. Okay, so this girl has a pink skirt. I do the girls. So I did this one, like the body, later. And I'm gonna do her hands. Look, there's a skateboard and there's a sink. I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna try to see the other one. I think the skateboard is gonna be later, but now let's see the girl. How am I gonna do this? can't do it. But look, this girl has blue hair. She's so funny. Okay, wait. I saw that this girl can skate. Ow. Okay then. I can't do it, but I want to do that, but I can't because one hand I'm playing and another I'm doing this. And I can't get off this. So yeah. Okay, this is the end. Finally, I can do something with my hand, like do like this, and scratch my face, do everything with these two hands. Oops. This is the end of the video, so subscribe, hit that notification, and give a like on the video.